Welcome to the Eco Brothers. I'm Ivan.
I'm Mike.
And today we're working on the Raptor. We're continuing the build on there. We're actually going to work on the parts Raptor. We're going to get this cab off the frame. There's a lot of little stuff that we got to do compared to the last one we did where everything was already broken or burned off. So this one, there's bolts, there's electrical lines we got to take off, there's hoses for the coolant, for the AC system. A lot of little work. Make sure we don't damage anything because we have to reuse it.
Yeah, those are the parts we need, so we got to be careful with this tank.
So this might take all day, but we're going to get this cab off the frame.
Yeah.
We're still doing a giveaway. We're going to do another Raptor logo. So all you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram because you guys will see more. I post a lot on Instagram, all about throughout the week that we're doing. So let's get to it. Alright guys, there's going to be a lot of bolts that we're going to be taking out. So we're going to try to be a little organized with some Ziploc bags and a marker. Let's get to it. Alright, so I got all the cab bolts off. Now I gotta go get the e-brake wire off. And then the rack, the steering rack, I gotta unplug that. And then we'll try to lift it off.
We're trying to take the cab off, the bolts are spinning. Now it's just got loose, so gotta take it.
We're gonna take apart the Raider Sport to get to them.
We got a bolt stuck, but we're about to cut it off where the frame got bent. It doesn't want to come out, but we'll get it. That's what you call an extended fork. You know, when you got a little extra space, a little leverage. Alright, that was a little sketchy, but you know, we got it, no problem. Check out this frame.
As you guys can see, it buckled it this way.
Yeah, let's.
And this one we had to cut. It just would not. That's what was giving us trouble the whole time, was that once we got cut that off, it lifted off. And it was actually pretty easy. Once you got the AC lines, the heater lines, a couple little electrical things, that's not too bad. Then we got the transmission cable. Now it took off.
Disconnected some stuff. Yeah.
The e-brake.
Yeah.
And the cooling system. But it's looking good. It's we're continuing the process. And on this side, everything looks good.
Yeah, that motor looks great. Transmission looks nice.
Yeah, we don't see any damage or anything.
Brand new.
But it looks like it's got factory exhaust, and then halfway they added that. So we're probably gonna keep the other exhaust off the other truck.
Yeah, it looks really nice. Straight pipe.
Yeah, straight pipe. They have no cats in it, so it should sound a lot better. Sound a lot meaner. The rear looks good too. So we're gonna have fun switching everything out.
Yeah, the rear definitely. We're taking all these parts.
Yeah. So we have lots and lots of fun. But we got to get this frame on the other side of the shop, next to the other frame that we painted, and we could start. First thing we're gonna do is gonna probably take this engine out, and that'll make it a lot more easier to get everything else out. So it's just a lot more work. And we're gonna do it. So let's get this thing over there. All right, so we're here by the parts Raptor. We're gonna pull this engine transmission out together with the wire harness. So first we're gonna take the exhaust bolts off, both sides, unhook the O2 sensors. Then we're gonna do the drive shaft, unhook that. Then we have the engine mounts. We got two on the bottom we gotta take off here. And one all the way back here we gotta take off. And then we'll take the four-wheel drive, unscrew that, and then a couple little lines take off, and that's it. We're gonna pull this engine out so we can have the frame ready to take everything else off with a new frame. So let's get to it.
Alright, we got the engine lifted up, and honestly, this is the easiest way to replace your starter on an F-150.
What about AC?
Yes,
Headers.
definitely.
We should do headers on it.
This is the easiest way. Right now, if you want to replace anything, this is the time, but...
Look at this. Oh no.
What?
Look at that damage.
Did I do that?
No, it's from the frame. I saw it earlier. So most likely I have to replace the oil pan. It's not leaking. But we'll see. Found some hidden damage,
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this inside the shop so it's gonna be nice and clean.
Keep it inside so it doesn't get wet. It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Alright, so here's the frame. We got the engine out, and we noticed a couple little issues. So this frame is twisted, that we knew of. But when it twisted, it actually made a crack in the transfer case in the front, or the front diff, sorry. And hopefully we just replace this part, because this one has less mileage than the other one. If not, then we'll use the other one, but I'd rather use this one. But other than that, everything else looks good. Let's go inside.
All right, we got the engine off. It's inside safely. Happy nothing happened to it. It's fantastic. And now we're gonna take all those parts and put them over here. The brake line, the wire harness. It's gonna be a lot easier since the engine's off. We have a lot more room to work with.
That's gonna be the next episode.
Yeah, that's enough for today.
Definitely enough.
We got enough done, but it just could keep moving, keep going along. Let's rebuild it.
All right, guys, let's go pick the giveaway winner.
All right, guys, another day, another giveaway. It's that time again. All right, we got 952 comments.
That's a lot of comments.
Yeah, that's the most comments we've ever had.
That's a lot of suggestions about the frame paint that we used. That was good stuff. That was, you know, a lot of you guys were definitely happy about that. We used it. So.
Yeah, it seemed like the best stuff out there, and it turned out great. Really laid down flat. It looked really nice, shiny black. And it's gonna look great once we get the Raptor together. So it's gonna look really good.
It's gonna look better on the inside than outside.
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, hopefully the outside looks good too.
It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. All right, Michael. Let's pick our first winner.
The first one. All right,
we got it all loaded.
Yep. Like I said, 952 comments. Let's hear most liked comment. Just, I don't know, for kicks. It's always fun. Michael says, love the boss of bosses, reference to Jesus Christ. Thanks, I appreciate it. That makes sense too. Amen, brother. All right, let's find our first winner. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thomas Raptor. Keep going, guys. Congratulations, you won.
You got one.
You got one.
Don't forget to leave us a comment or email us at Nico Brothers, and we'll email back to you guys, and we'll send it out. Let's see the next one.
3, 2, 1. All right, Rondi. All right.
There we go. That's number 2. Now we got one more.
The last one. Here we go. Final winner for today. 3, 2, 1. Nico Katz. Nice, cool.
Oh, there you go.
Pretty cool, yeah. That's feels like we're related. Raptor, congrats. That's what you need to do. You wrote it in there.
And don't forget, guys. We're still doing another giveaway. You guys can win one more. We're gonna change it up a little bit, as you'll see. But all you have to do is comment, subscribe, like the video. If you guys can share the video, we'd appreciate that. Definitely want to show you guys more content in the future. And so we'll get out there on YouTube. But we're getting more progress done. We're ready to start assembling the frame. The frame is drying up.
I'm so excited about that, actually finally to build up, because we've been tearing down for so long, taking things apart, getting all prepped up, and now we're actually going to start building on top, moving forward. So I'm excited about that.
So we're going to get the suspension on first, and then all the little stuff, gas tank, fuel
engine
lines,
mounts, everything, and then, wire harness. Yep, engine in there. So
we're going to get lots of stuff.
Start building up, start tearing down. All right, I guess stay tuned for see what we're gonna do next.